with a promise to make when the fortunes of the party improves. The claimant stated that he approached the present chairman, Barrister Bensios Ikenna, through the state secretary of the party, Mr. Tony Idako, for the payment of salary arrears and other entitlements, but told to wait until the fortunes of the party improves, even in spite of the gigantic project carried out at the time, including renovation and procurements done at the new office complex at Mary Selasso Avenue, Calabar, as well as income from national office, sales of electioneering forms, and charges permitted by party's constitution, funding from National Assembly members in the state and PDP Governors Forum. The case of the defendant. In their defense, the defendant stated that the claimant was employed by Honorable Godwin Ita, led executive, which said appointment lapsed after his tenure in 2016. The claimant's employment is for a fixed term of 4 years. There is nothing showing that the Intufan Enoch administration, which took over in 2016, reappointed the claimant or ratified claimant's appointment in 2016, after which the present administration took over. According to the defendants, every executive have its own executive members and their appointment lapses when the tenure of that executive lapses too. When the present administration commenced operation, they sought for application from suitably qualified persons for the position of administrative secretary, and qualified persons applied, but the claimant refused to apply. That instead of applying, the claimant brought his letter of appointment dated 1st of July 2013, which had expired with the erstwhile administration that appointed him. There is no material evidence showing that the claimant's appointment was ratified by the subsequent administration or the present administration, as the claimant's appointment expired with the regimes that appointed him. The current executive, led by Barrister Bensios Iken, has its own administrative secretary, and the claimant has never worked as administrative secretary of the current executive in Cross River State. The submissions of the defendant. In the final written address of the defendant, a single issue was formulated for resolution, to which whether or not the claimant has proved his case to warrant the grant of the claim as contained in the complaint before this honorable court. In arguing the sole issue for determination, counsel submitted that the answer to the